Good day, Blue Elephant. I'm Jix Mariano, the plant manager, Ragoas Heritage Construction Corporation from Manila, Philippines. It's a pleasure to meet Tina and have the deal closed. We purchased the CNC and
Two units?
2 units of CNC and 1 unit of side hole machine. It's a done deal, and the factory is huge, very organized production. We are recommending the company to other contractors around the world.
And cabinet makers in Manila?
All woodworking contractors in Manila.
And very accommodating from the airport up to here. So, thank you. So, let's do. Blue.
Blue.
Blue.